How to hide a story from someone on Messenger. Welcome to our new video on our channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to hide a story from someone on Messenger. Let's get started right away. Open the Messenger app on your phone. Click on the three horizontal lines in the top left corner. Then click on the Settings button. Scroll down and find the Privacy and Safety option. Open it. Scroll down again and at the bottom, you will see the Story Controls option. Click on it to open. There you will find the Hide Story From option that we need. A list of friends will appear in alphabetical order. Select by tapping on the square next to the name of the friend from whom you want to hide the story. You can select multiple friends at once, as I will do. When you finish selecting, click on Apply in the top right corner. Save the changes by pressing Save. A window will appear notifying you that the changes will apply to the pictures and videos on the story. Click Save once again. Your future stories will be hidden from the friends you selected. Now you can comfortably post your photos and videos on your story. Like the video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials.